Are you drowning in a sea of assignments, struggling to find time for your studies, personal life, and social activities? We understand the pressure you are under as a student. The constant stress of meeting deadlines and the fear of low grades can be overwhelming. But here is the solution you have been searching for: Deep IT Solutions. Our team comprises the most skilled and experienced writers, all with university degrees and native English proficiency. We are here to save you time. Time management is a common struggle for students, but with Deep IT Solutions, you can finally strike a balance between your academic and personal life. Worried about plagiarism? Don't be. Our online writing service guarantees original content, verified by plagiarism checking software. And the best part? It's an affordable choice. You don't have to break the bank to get high-quality, error-free assignments. Your privacy is our priority. We keep your identity a secret, so you can confidently use our services and excel in your studies. Visit our website at www.techiesgroup.co.in, call us at +918 305 233 or email us at info@techiesgroup.co.in. Let us help you succeed in your academic journey.